Hello and welcome to week 5. This week we are going to be working in chapters 3 to 5 in the textbook, and we are going to be learning about the steps in the writing process. Writing is a process where you go through different steps, and they include the pre-writing phase, the organizing phase, the rough draft writing phase, the revising and editing phase, and then the final polished version. So those textbook chapters will talk about that. And then you're going to work on learning about verbs. There are all different types of verbs, regular and irregular verbs, subject and verb agreement, and more about verbs. So you're going to learn quite a bit about verbs in chapters 26, 27, and 28. After you've watched my video, read through those chapters, done the practice exercises, used the answer keys to check your answers, you're going to take the chapter 3 to 5 quiz, and then you're going to watch 3 videos on verbs. After you have worked through chapters 26 to 28, watch the 3 videos, then you will take the verb quiz. Many times, like I said before, students ask if they can retake a quiz. The answer is no. So be sure you work through the textbook pages, you watch the videos before you take the quizzes. For the reading strategy this week, we're going to learn about inference and implied main idea. We know what a stated main idea is. We read the passage and we find the central point that the passage makes about the topic, and it's stated in a sentence. But sometimes the author does not provide a stated main idea, and you have to read through it, figure out the topic, and then connect the details and come up with a sentence that encompasses the passage. This can be really challenging and hard to do, but you're going to work on those skills this week. And then you're going to read a very famous short story by Saki. It is The Open Window, and it was written long ago in the late 1800s. This story will require you to use a little bit of inference and implied main idea to figure out what is happening in it. So once you've watched the videos on inference and implied main idea, then you're going to read the story and then you'll take the quiz. Here is the week 5 folder. You can access the checklist I just went over by clicking on this and printing it off. This will go over your textbook readings, activities, and answer keys. So be sure to click on that to see the exact pages and exercises and answer keys to help you. Here is the chapters 3 to 5 video lecture, the chapters 3 to 5 quiz. Then here are the 3 verb videos, irregular verbs, linking verbs, and helping verbs. When you have worked through chapters 26 to 28, watch the videos, then you will take this verb quiz. And then here is the implied main idea video, the inferencing video, the short story, which you will access by clicking on here, and then if you click on page 1, you'll read this page and then exit out and click on page 2. So there are 3 pages. Once you have done all those things, then you will take the open window, implied main idea, and inference quiz. Have a great week, and let me know if you have any questions.